Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. We have to find the smallest number which should be subtracted from 7.03 to give an odd integer. So first of all what we will do is we will assume that the smallest number to be subtracted from 7.03 to get an odd integer be x. So we have assumed that number. Now according to question what we can say is, according to question we can write that 7.03 minus x is equal to some odd integer, and here we have to find the smallest possible number of x that satisfies this equation. Therefore we can say that the nearest odd integer from this number 7.03 is 7. Hence we can find out x by 7.03 minus x is equal to the nearest odd integer from 7.03 is 7. So let this number be, this odd integer be 7. So from here, from this relation we can get the smallest possible number of x such that 7.03 minus x is some odd integer which is 7 here. Therefore x is 7.03 minus 7. Now we have to subtract. We have to do subtraction. So let's subtract 7 from 7.03. So 7.03 is greater, so keep it up, and 7.00. We can write 7 as 7.00. Now we can do simple subtraction. So 3 minus 0 will give 3, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 7 minus 7 is 0. So finally we can say that our answer is 0.03.